I don't care what card you guys are applying for. If you guys have a few hard inquiries, don't stop that from, don't make that stop you from actually applying for it. So if you guys want to boost your credit score, then go ahead and try to see if you can pre-qualify for credit cards. But don't let you having just whatever inquiries you have stop you. Now, if you only have a few inquiries and just a car loan, then maybe you do want to try to see if you can pre-qualify for some good credit cards, like try with Discover, maybe Federal. And if for some reason you're not getting those, try to get their secured. If you can't get the secured, then you go to my list, and I'm going to show you that list now. Now, that list I suggest you all go to, like, say if you're trying to get credit cards and say if your credit's not the best, then I actually made a list for everybody. So let me go ahead and share that for you guys now. Now, this list is a credit cards that's good for bad credit. So if you guys have bad credit, then you guys can still possibly get approved for credit card. And here, credit cards, here's that list here. So if you guys go to my website, Rickita.com, go ahead and click on that search button right here, and then just put bad credit in. Or say if I say, oh, apply for Navy Federal, if you put Navy Federal in there, you'll see Navy Federal credit cards. But put bad credit in there and go ahead and click right here, the best credit cards for bad credit. And then you'll see I have credit cards here. So we have the Self. We also have the Credit Builder card. We have the Kickoff credit account, Discover Secure card. This is one I tell people to get, especially if you have really bad credit, because this one can actually graduate. So say if you were to put $1,000 on here, they can increase your limit. I see up to $2,500. So I definitely like that one, the Discover. Then you got the two more, but it's multiple credit cards that you guys can definitely get approved for. But try to see if you can find credit cards that can actually pre-qualify you, because you guys would be better off if you guys get the credit cards that can actually pre-qualify you, because they're going to tell you yes or no without giving that hard inquiry, and that's what I